Mr. Satpathy, they raped Babina's best friend. How did they come out of jail? That happened the first time, and then to take revenge. They were so audacious in their action to take revenge. They then went and raped her best friend.
My knowledge of the law is extremely weak and your knowledge of the law is very strong. That is what you wanted to claim a few seconds earlier. Now I will tell you something. Getting out of jail is not the government's prerogative.
No. Mr. Satpathy, don't take this discussion on a tangent. I am saying these people are so confident of their ability to get away with whatever they want in the Naveen Patnaik regime that after being freed from jail, they have the audacity and the temerity to go back and rape Babina because she had the guts to complain against these ministers' goons. They're so confident that there is no law in Orissa, there's a jungle raj, that they know that they can get away with it, which is why they did it.
That's very sad. Who's supporting that? And the sternest possible action has been taken.
What action has been taken? What action has been taken? Pradeep Maharathi roams free, intimidating the family. I want to bring into our discussion at this time Niranjan Patnaik, President of the Orissa Congress Committee.
Yes.
You know, we're hearing from the Orissa government that whatever can be done is being done. This is the way things are. We are not a lynch mob. We have to allow law to do its own thing. Do you believe, Mr. Niranjan Patnaik, that the Orissa government has done what it could in this case? Because that's what Tathagat Satpathy is claiming on this show and refusing to accept the fact that the government has been lax. Mr. Patnaik.
You see, this is not the singular case. In our state, right from a Dalit girl to a lecturer of a college also murdered on similar occasions. And I will admit, not because I am in opposition, because the total law and order situation in our state has collapsed. And as you are mentioning about CBI, our government or our Chief Minister is afraid of CBI inquiries. As you know, in mining scams case, Andhra government agreed for CBI inquiry, Goa government agreed, Karnataka government agreed, but our government doesn't agree.
So let me put that question then to Mr. Satpathy. Why is the government scared of a CBI inquiry? What worries Naveen Patnaik so much? This is a strong man. His linkages are very clearly known. His aides think they can get away with whatever they want under Naveen Patnaik's watch. Why is your government taking no action? Why has the case not been handed over to the CBI? Mr. Satpathy, don't find excuses. Don't go off on a tangent. Answer this question, sir.
I told you right at the outset, I am not part of the government. I am a mere member of parliament.
You represent the Biju Janata Dal, which is in power in Orissa. You represent the Biju Janata Dal, which is in power in Orissa.
Anybody. Let it be very clear on record now. I am not an apologist for even this person whom you claim or other people claim is an accused or is an accomplice of some accused. I am not an apologist for him. I cannot in my right senses ever dream of protecting anybody who is involved in a crime.
This is not about you, sir. This is about your government. This is about your government, this is about the Orissa administration which you are representing. And I want to know from you, sir, why has the government not handed this case over to the CBI? Let's not waste limited and precious airtime. Let's try and get down to answers. Why has the case not been handed over to the CBI? Why don't you answer that question, sir?
From Chhabi Rani, a journalist's wife being raped and killed on a riverbed, up to Anjana Mishra, the plethora of cases, how Orissa reeled under the torture of that Congress regime. But I do not wish to politicize this
issue. Come on, Mr. Satpathy. First of all, you are member of parliament. Mr. Satpathy, now you please listen to me for a minute.
Listen
to me for a minute, Mr. Satpathy, because you have to answer to the nation tonight.
Okay, whoever may be in power, let us accept that the system is a continuous process. The police, the administration, the IAS, the IPS, the police officers, it's a continuous process.